Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
Welcome to the vlog. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, even though it's Halloween. We're at Sam's. It's grocery shopping day. Wow. See, they got a bunch of these little ones too. I found all those leaves. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with them.
Okay, Mom.
Alright, so we gotta mark off yesterday, and this is today.
3.
Okay, so...
Whose birthday is this?
Oh, that was an accident. I forgot to delete that.
What was it? What was it?
I don't know. Say it. Ready?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Good job.
I'm scared.
Jump scare. Now we gotta say our
Wait,
pledge of
what's
allegiance.
wrong with that apple?
It got a little wet. We're gonna say our pledge of allegiance. So let's do that real quick. Fish runs, swim so fast. Splish splash. Can you make it swim? Splish splash, splish splash. Sandy sunfish swim so fast. Faster. They want you to say it faster and faster. Ready? Splish splash, splish splash. Sandy sunfish swim so fast. Splish splash, splish splash. Sandy sunfish swim so fast. Splish splash, splish splash. Would you cut your lip?
No, I just hit it.
Oh. Say it. Ready? Go again.
Splish, splash, splish, splash. Sunny, sunny, splish, running so fast.
Swim so fast. Shortfish, longfish, bluefish, greenfish. Many kinds of fish were sitting at the long, long table in the old ship. There were many, many fish sitting on small wooden stools at the long, long table. Sandy Sunfish could smell a tasty seaweed soup. She looked at the shortfish, the longfish, the bluefish, and the greenfish. Sandy Sunfish hoped she could live in the old ship with many, many fish. At last, Sandy Sunfish had a real family. Isn't that sweet? What kind of song did the fish sing for Sandy Sunfish? But what kind of song was it?
A welcome song.
Yes, a welcome song. Very good. Did Sandy Sunfish cry happy tears or sad tears?
That. Happy tears.
Was she happy? How was Sandy Sunfish like all the other fish in the old ship?
Yeah.
How was she the same as them?
Yeah.
How? You have to tell me how she was the same.
because she has the same colors as all of them.
Well, they didn't have a family, right?
No, they have the family.
Yeah. What did Daddy Fish ask Sandy Sunfish?
Yeah, Mommy. Welcome here to spend the day.
He wanted them to come live with them, right?
Mm-hmm.
What did Sandy Sunfish finally have?
A family.
A family. Very good.
Do I get it checked?
Does she have a family or go to the ship?
Go to
Okay.
3 or 2?
2. What happened third? Very good.
I'm finished!
The purple one.
Where's my stars? Where's my stars?
We don't have a purple, so we'll have to use the silver one. Gotta put it in the purple. Yep.
It's not purple, guys.
It's not purple, but that's okay, right?
Wait, Mom, stop. Maybe
You
if
use
we...
your purple marker?
I can use my... Ooh, yeah. Guys. Oh, cool, cool, how was I train flying?
Until this is done. Ah. You gotta say it.
Antelope reads.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Antelope reads.
The tacky taffy stuck so fast that Abby Antelope just gasped. Miss Abby Antelope can't stand the tacky taffy on her hands.
Mule reads. Mule reads. Mule reads.
Milton the mule made me surprised. A cute mini mule doll, just the right size.
Do I get checked right?
Mm-hmm. How about this one?
Sunfish reads. Sunfish reads. Sunfish reads.
And Sandy the sunfish smiled as she swam. A family she found on the
Sandy the sunfish smiled as she swam. A family she's found in a ship of sea sand.
Fox reads.
I want you to listen to these words, okay? And see what's one so you can hear the S sound. And if they begin with the letter S. Okay. Say this. Sack.
Yes.
Say it. Sack.
Sack.
What about this one? Bear.
No.
Nope. Straw.
Yes.
Cookie.
No.
Sand.
Yes.
Saw.
Yeah. No.
Saw.
Yes.
Okay. What about back? Back. B. Is that a sound? B.
No.
Okay. So. So.
Yeah.
Sit up. Sit up. Soap.
Yes.
Sky. Sink. Sink. Sink.
Yes. Did you hear me spell?
I did. How about go? Go. Is
No.
it- okay. What about snap?
Yes.
Milk.
No.
Silver.
Silver. Yes.
Okay, good job. I'm so
Did I get
proud of
check
you.
right?
You get a check right. Sit up. Sit up, sit up, sit up. Well, now we're going to listen about over and under. So we have to go
This
to our red English.
there. There.
Okay. With a blue marker, draw a line under the plane. Great job. With your red marker, draw a line under the seagull. With your green marker, draw a line over the fish. With your green marker, draw a line over the airplane.
Again?
Over. Meat. Apple.
Wait. There we go.
Alligator.
Alligator.
Moon.
Wool.
Marbles. Milk. Mule. Mouse. Ant. Ant. Ankle. Male. Mustard. Mustard.
Nope.
Quit it. Money. You dropped your money. So I thought I'd vlog this before everybody shows up real quick. So the chicken I just put into the crock pot and I cooked it, I think it was probably 7 hours-ish. And you saw I put ranch, pepper flakes, and the pepperoncini peppers on top. And I just pulled it out, shredded it. I added a little bit of the juice and the peppers. We have provolone cheese, and then I have a spicy mustard with mayonnaise mix that we're gonna put on them. And then I'm gonna toast the buns. So normally you're supposed to put the stuff on the sandwiches and then toast the sandwiches and put butter and stuff on top. But we're just gonna toast these, and then everyone can make their own slider. Hi guys, so it is after dinner. It's 7:38 and dinner was delicious. The sliders were really good. I used chicken breasts, which you know they usually do dry, but I try to keep as much juice or whatever to keep them from being so dry. It was really good. But now I'm going to work. I'm going to put on a little bit of Waltons. Just kind of unwind and watch Waltons. And I got a few shirts to embroider out, so.
Yeah. Y'all ain't got to go home, but you can't stay here.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.